Let's learn G words, come along. We'll sing a happy G word song. From goats to gifts and gold that shines, we'll have fun with G word rhymes. Goat climbs up the rocky hill, jumps around and stands so still. Grapes are green and purple too, tasty treats for me and you. Guitar makes a strummy sound, music playing all around. Gorilla pounds its chest with pride, then gives a smile and steps aside. A gift wrapped up with ribbon bright, open it up, what a delight. The globe spins round and round all day, showing places far away. Glasses help you see so clear, put them on from ear to ear. Gold is shiny, found in a chest, pirate treasure is the best. Giraffe